If you're seeing Smartsheet Error Code 51 and you're not sure what's causing it or how to fix it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Error Code 51 means and the step-by-step methods you can use to resolve it quickly. This issue usually appears when you're trying to edit a sheet, update a row, or make changes, but Smartsheet won't allow the action. The good news is that in most cases, it's related to permissions, locked elements, or temporary session problems. Let's go ahead and fix it. First, check your permission level. This is the most common cause of Error Code 51. Open the sheet where you're seeing the error, then click on the Share button in the top right corner. Here, you'll be able to see your permission level. If you are listed as a viewer or commenter, you won't be able to make structural changes or edit certain cells. To fix this, you'll need editor or admin access. If you don't have the correct level, contact the sheet owner or your Smartsheet admin and request elevated permissions. Once your access level is updated, refresh the sheet and try again. If your permissions look correct and you still see the error, the next thing to check is whether rows or columns are locked. In Smartsheet, sheet owners and admins can lock specific rows or columns to prevent editing. Right-click on the row number or column header and see if there is an unlock option. If the row or column is locked, only an admin or the owner can unlock it. If you have admin rights, simply select Unlock and try making your changes again. If not, you'll need to ask someone with higher access to unlock it for you. Next, check automation and workflows. Sometimes automated workflows can restrict manual edits. Click on Automation in the top menu and review any active workflows connected to the sheet. Look for rules that might lock rows, change permissions, or move data when certain conditions are met. If a workflow is interfering with your edits, you may need to temporarily disable it or adjust its conditions. After making changes to automation settings, save everything and test your sheet again. If everything looks fine so far, try refreshing the sheet and attempting the action again. Sometimes, Error Code 51 is triggered by a temporary sync issue between your browser and Smartsheet servers. Simply refresh the page using the refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Wait for the sheet to fully reload before trying again. This simple step often resolves minor glitches. If the problem still continues, log out of Smartsheet completely and then log back in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. Close your browser tab, reopen it, and sign back into your Smartsheet account. This resets your session and can clear authentication-related issues that sometimes trigger Error Code 51. As an extra step, you can also try clearing your browser cache or opening Smartsheet in an incognito or private browsing window. If it works there, the issue is likely related to cache data or browser extensions. So, to quickly recap, check your permission level first, then look for locked rows or columns, review automation workflows, refresh the sheet, and finally, log out and back in. One of these steps will resolve the majority of Smartsheet Error Code 51 cases. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.